Good news, everyone, the robots are coming. Okay, maybe good news is a bit strong. It's more like interesting news that might make us all question our career choices and whether we should have paid more attention in coding class. I mean, let's be honest, the first question on everyone's mind is, will a robot take my job? And the second question is probably, can it at least make me toast first? The truth is, AI is already changing the way we work. From self-driving cars threatening to turn taxi drivers into professional passengers to algorithms writing news articles faster than I can tell a joke, the future is happening. But before we all start sending our resumes to Mars in hopes of finding a job market untouched by artificial intelligence, let's take a breath. Remember the Industrial Revolution? People freaked out then too. They thought machines would steal all the jobs. And you know what? They did. But then they created new ones. Because here's the thing about us humans, we're pretty adaptable. Now, I know what you're thinking, John. You make it sound like robots are about to waltz in and take our jobs in one fell swoop, like a pack of highly efficient, slightly creepy metal ninjas. And okay, maybe some jobs will disappear. Sorry, telemarketers, but your days are numbered. But for most of us, it's going to be less about sudden job apocalypse and more about a gradual evolution. Think about it. AI is already automating tasks in tons of industries. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and with greater accuracy. In finance, algorithms are making lightning-fast trades and detecting fraud. Heck, in the entertainment industry, AI is even writing scripts. Don't worry, writers, I'm sure they're terrible. Let's play a game. I'm going to list a job, and you try to guess if a robot could do it better than a human. Ready? First up, therapist. Could a robot listen to your problems, offer insightful advice, and maybe even pass you a tissue when you inevitably tear up talking about your ex? I'm going to go with a hard no on that one. And that's because there are some things robots just can't replicate. They can't understand the nuances of human emotion, the power of a shared laugh, or the comfort of a knowing glance. They can't write a song that makes you feel things, paint a picture that takes your breath away, or tell a joke that makes you spit out your coffee in surprise and amusement. Change can be scary, especially when it involves artificial intelligence that could potentially outsmart us all and turn us into their pet humans. But here's the good news. We have a secret weapon. It's called upskilling. Think of it like leveling up in a video game, except instead of gaining magical powers and a cool new sword, you gain valuable skills and knowledge that make you more employable in the age of AI. Remember how your parents always told you to learn a second language? Well, now's the time to dust off that rusty Spanish or finally tackle Mandarin, or maybe you've always wanted to learn how to code. So we've talked about how AI will change some jobs, create new ones, and require us to level up our skills. But what does this actually look like in practice? Are we all going to be working alongside robot colleagues, having awkward water cooler conversations about the weather and the latest software updates? Maybe, but here's the exciting part. AI also has the potential to create entirely new industries and job sectors we haven't even imagined yet. Remember when the internet first came out? No one could have predicted the rise of social media managers, app developers, or professional YouTubers. The same goes for AI. It's going to create opportunities we can't even fathom yet. We might have AI ethicists who ensure artificial intelligence is used responsibly, AI trainers who teach robots how to be less robotic and more human, and maybe even AI therapists for those robots going through existential crises. Let's face it, some parts of our jobs are, well, let's just say less than thrilling. Filling out spreadsheets, scheduling meetings, sorting through emails, these are the tasks that make us wish we could delegate to a highly efficient robot assistant. Well, guess what? We can. AI is already automating these mundane, repetitive tasks, freeing us up to focus on more creative, strategic, and engaging work. Imagine a world where you could delegate your inbox to an AI assistant that sorts through your emails, flags the important ones, and even drafts witty responses for you. Although, let's be real, no AI could ever replicate my level of email sass. And it's not just about automating tasks. AI can also help us work smarter. So, there you have it. The robot revolution is upon us, but maybe it's not the dystopian nightmare we see in sci-fi movies. Maybe, just maybe, it's an opportunity to rethink how we work, to learn new skills, and to create a future where technology complements our humanity, not replaces it. It's a future where AI helps us solve complex problems from climate change to healthcare, while we, the humans, focus on what we do best, connecting with each other, creating art, telling stories, and maybe, just maybe, finally figuring out how to make a decent cup of coffee. Although I'm not holding my breath on that last one. Some things are better left to the professionals, even if those professionals are robots.